Now, we have Theorem 4, Part 1. So, sa Theorem 4, we have here a raised to n over a raised to m. Observe that both base are the same. They are both a, and the exponent of numerator and denominator are different. Okay pa. So, in this case, mas mataas yung numerator or yung exponent ng numerator natin kaysa sa exponent ng denominator natin. Notice this. N is greater than m. So, kapag ganito po yung situation, mas mataas itong n kaysa sa m, ang mangyayari is magiging whole number po yung ating a. So, a raised to n minus m. Okay, to further understand this theorem, let's have this example. So, we have here 2 raised to 5 over 2 raised to 3. We can just simplify it by subtracting 5 and 3. So, mas mataas yung numerator kaysa sa denominator or yung exponent ng numerator kaysa sa exponent ng denominator. We will have this whole number 2 raised to 5 minus 3, which we can simplify into 2 raised to 2. Diba? Mas lumiit yung exponent, which means mas madali nating masisimplify. So, 2 raised to 2 is simply equal to 4. Okay, let's have this another example. What if we have variable instead of a number? So here we have x raised to 6 and x raised to 2. Ano nga yung ginagawa? Make it a whole number and then subtract the exponents. So, the exponent of numerator minus the exponent of denominator. So we can have x raised to 6 minus 2. So which simply means that x raised to 4. So we can have the final answer.